Hello children, today we will analyze about the linear equation in one variable. That is your last chapter for the PT2, and in this chapter we will discuss linear equations. So what is linear equation? So equation means, first of all, you know the three signs of relation, that is one equal to, another is less than, another is greater than. Okay, these two are called as a inequalities because they are not equal. Someone is here, if here 1 is there, if I write here 2, and then so in this case 1 is less than 2. So this is 1 and 2 are not equal. That means 1 is smaller than 2. So in that case I have given the less than sign. So that is, these two symbols is called it as a inequalities, and this one is called it as a equalities. That means equal to is there, then it is called as equalities. Now what is equation? Equation means, suppose a statement of equality. A statement of equality which contains an unknown quantity is called an equation. A statement of equality. So what is a statement? Suppose in general form I am telling Ram's age. Suppose in this case Ram's age is 5 years older than Sita, and Sita's age is given, suppose 20. So what will be the Ram age? So Ram age, suppose I have written R will be equal to, Ram's age is 5 years older than Sita. This is one statement, isn't it? This is one statement. So Ram's age is 5 years older than Sita. So Ram age, I have written Ram is equal to Sita's age how much? 20, and 5 years older, that means more than 20. 5 years more than 20. So 20 plus 5. So this is one statement. And here this statement which contain an unknown equation quantity. What is that unknown quantity? This one is the unknown quantity, because R we don't know. To find that value R, this statement I have written in the form of equation. This is called as a equation. Okay, so that means a statement of equality. A statement of equality which contains an unknown quantity. There should be one unknown quantity, then only we can call it as a equation. Suppose here it is given 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Is it one equation? No, here no unknown quantities there. 2 is one value, 3 is the value, and 5 is 2 plus 3 is 5. This satisfied. That means 2 plus 3, 5 is equal to 5. This is correct, but this is not an equation. Since equal sign is there, but this is not an equation. Because why? Because unknown quantity is not here. So similarly, one example, say 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. So in this case, is it equation or not? Here x is 1. See here, one variable is there. Variable means unknown quantity is there, x. That means this is an equation. If equal sign is there and one unknown quantity is there, then it is called it as a linear equation or equation in one variable. Okay. But suppose if it is given in this form, 2x minus 1 less than 3 or 2x minus 1 greater than 3, these all are not equation. Why? Because in equal to sign is, though variable is there, one unknown quantity is there, but here equal to is not there in these two cases. So that means this is not equation. This all are what? Inequalities. Okay. The solution or root of an equation. So we have got that equation contain an unknown quantity. Okay. So in this case R is equal to 25. Okay, so R is equal to 25. That means in a equation one unknown quantity will be there. So since equal to is there, that means we can, by solving, we can find the value of that unknown quantity, isn't it? So the value we will get, that is called it as a root of that equation. See, a number or value which satisfies an equation is called the solution or root of the equation. That means how we will get the root of the equation or solution? By solving it. Suppose in this case 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. By solving, see what we will get. 2x minus 1 is equal to 3. Okay. Now 2x is equal to 3. This minus 1 I have shifted to this side. 3 plus 1. So 2x is equal to 4. X will be 4 by 2. That means x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. So this 2 is called it as a root of that equation. Now see whether this value 2 satisfies this equation or not. Let's see. 2x minus 1 means how much? X value what we have got? 2. 2 into 2 minus 1. 2 to the 4 minus 1, 3. In the right hand side of the equation, 3 is given. That means this value satisfies the equation. So that's why this is called it as a root of the equation or solution of the equation. A number or value which satisfies an equation is called the solution or root of the equation. Same to check. For checking whether this value 2 satisfies the equation or not, 3 are also 3 and here also 3, and in this equation this is equal to the left side of the left portion of this equation is called as a left side, and this is called it as a right side, and this is equation, sorry, equality, equal sign. Okay, now some rules are there. So in that, suppose this is one equation, ax plus b plus c. Here your unknown quantity is this one, x. A is some numerical value 2, b is also some value, c is also some constant. These all are known quantities. Just this x is your, in general form I'm telling, this x is your unknown quantity. Okay, now the thing is, suppose in this equation, in the both side, left side and in the right side, if you add one number, suppose 2 you have added, whatever number, if we add both sides, then it will be and then there also it will be no change. Suppose, see the example, suppose 2x plus 3 is equal to 6 given, not 6, 7 given. Okay, so in the both case, if you add one numerical, suppose 2x plus 3, in the both side you add 2, 7 plus 2, 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. Then also this will be correct. There will be no change in the value. Suppose in this case, whatever x value you have got, suppose in this case you have got the x value is equal to 2. In this case, if you solve, in this case also you will get x value is equal to 2. That means if both side, if you add one number, same number, in the both side if you add, then also that equation will will not change. And suppose in this case also, in the both side you have divided one by one number, suppose 2, then also it will be no change. And suppose 2x plus 3, in the both side if you multiply it with some same number, then also it will be no change. Or suppose if you subtract also, 2x plus 3, this is your equation, and in the both case you have subtracted one the same number, then also it will be no change. But then the main thing is that both side you have to do whatever you have done, both side. Suppose in the left side you have added with one number, that same number should be added to the left side also, then only your equation will not change. Okay, now exercise, solve by transposition and check your answer. Transposition means shifting from this side to that side. So this one, 3 number, x is equal to 3 by 5 is equal to x plus 3 by 5 is equal to 4 by 5. So x will be, so we need to find the value of x, because solve is it is asking. Solve means you have to find the unknown quantities value. So x I have shifted in this side, and whatever number numerical is there I have shifted to another side. So since here already 4 by 5 is there, so that's why this numerical value I have shifted to that side. So 4 by 5, here plus is there, if it change the side, then it will be, then here its sign also will be changed. So here plus is there, it will be minus. So minus 3 by 5, take the LCM, 5, 4 minus 3, 1 by 5. So x is equal to 1 by 5. Verification and check. In question it is asking, see, check your answer. you have to check whatever you have got, that answer you have to check. So for the verification, x value 1 by 5. So in this left side you put first 1 by 5 plus 3 by 5, 1 plus 3 by 5, 4 by 5. In this also 4 by 5. So it is verified. 6 number, x minus 4.2 is equal to 11.4. In this also, this numerical value I will shift it to that side. 11.4 plus 4.2, so x will be 15.6. Now verification, whether it is the root or solution of this equation or not. So for this verification, this side, in this case I will put the value of the x. So x minus 4.2, x value is 15.6 and 4.2, so 11.4. See, in the right side 11.4 is there. That means it is verified. In this case also, solve equation, check your answer. You have to solve and then you have to check your answer. So 4 number, these all are easy. 75 is equal to 5y, then y will be 75 by 5, then after whatever you will get, that you have to verify. So now in this case, a minus 8m is equal to minus 24. In the both side minus is there, minus minus will get cancelled. So 8m is equal to 24, m will be 24, this 8 will come to the denominator, 24 by 8, that means 3. Now check, minus 8 into 3 minus 24, already it is there minus 24, it means verified. 8 number, g by 2.9 is equal to 10. G will be cross multiplication, 10 into 2.9, so 29. Now checking, left side g value 2.9 divided by, g value 29 and divided by 2.9, 10. Right side 10 is already there, that means it is verified. And 3 number questions. See the question number 3. In this question, write the following statement is given and you have to write in the numerals to make true statements. So whatever statement they have given, according to them you have to make the equation form. Okay, so suppose in this case the sum of 5 and x is 12. That means if you add 5 and x, it is 12. So 5 plus x is equal to 12. 8 decreased by 7 is 13. 8 decreased by 7, that means x decreased by 7. X is decreased by 7, that means x minus 7 is equal to 13. Okay, 6 less than 2 times y is 32. 6 less than 2 times y, that means 2y minus 6 is 32. Okay, if 8 is taken, all this you have to do by yourself. Which one I will, if d is taken away from the number n, the result is minus 4. 8 taken away from n, so that means n minus 8 is equal to minus 4. Like this you have to do, rest you will do by yourself. Okay. Now question number 4, solve. 2x minus 3 is equal to 9 minus x. Here variable, this side variable is there, numerical. The main thing is that you put the variable in one side and take the numericals in one side, then only it will be easy for you to make the calculations to find the value. So since 2x is there, I have shifted this x in that side. So minus x, if it come then it will be plus x, 2x plus x. 9, this minus 3, if it come to this side, it will be plus 3, sorry, 9 plus 3. Okay, so 3x, 9 plus 3 is 12. So 3x is equal to 12, x is equal to 12 by 3. 3 4s are 12, so x is equal to 4. Okay, 2a minus 5 is equal to 8a plus 1. 2a minus 8a, 2a minus 5 is equal to 8a plus 1. So take this variable in this side. 2a minus 8a is equal to 1 plus 5. 2a minus 8a minus 6a, 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. A equal to 6 by minus 6. So 1 will get 6 will get cancelled, then it will be minus 1. Okay, so in this case your answer will be 4. By mistakenly I have written here minus 3, that's why your answer came different. 7 number 1.9x plus 3.6, 2.5x plus 3. Similarly here also variable this numerical this side and take the variable in that side. Okay, okay, so 1.9x plus 3.6 equal to 2.5x plus 3. So 2.5x I have shifted to this side, then it will be minus 2.5x, and 3 minus 3.6. So now 1.9 minus 2.5 will be 0.6, and 3 minus 3.6 it will be 0.6. Since this one is bigger, so it will be minus. Here also 2.5 is bigger, so it will be minus. So minus minus will get cancelled. X will be 0.6 by 0.6, so answer will be 1.